All right, good morning, and welcome to a little lesson about how to draw something that's overlapping. A lot of times when we see something like this where we have to draw something that's overlapping, like these grapes overlap each other, it can make us a little nervous. And then we try to squeeze things together awkwardly when we're drawing them. So um, I'm going to make a recommendation that basically when you're drawing overlapping stuff, you start from foreground to background. So you start with the stuff that's closest to you and that you can totally see all of it. So like this grape doesn't really overlap with anything else. So I can totally see this grape and I can totally see a lot of this stem. So I can draw that first, and then I just work my way backwards from the foreground to the middle ground to the background. So I'll start with this grape and the stem, and then these two grapes get a little bit overlapped by this one, so then I'll go there, and then I'll do these ones last. So I'll show you what I mean. Put this over here, and okay, so I'm going to attempt this drawing now. So again, I'm going to start with the foreground, that biggest grape right there. I'm going very, very loose. And the overall shape of it. Okay, and then I said I wanted to move on to the stem because I can fully see the stem. It's not really overlapping with anything else. Okay, I'll just do kind of a loose line right now, just for the sake of time, so you guys aren't bored watching this. Okay. Okay, it looks like I can see that part of the stem. Maybe I could do a little. Okay, all right, I'm gonna have that grape in there, and then I'm gonna go to the next grapes that overlap it. So I need it looking close. I think this grape right here, if you can see with my cursor, just barely overlaps this grape on that side. So that means this one's a little closer to us. So I'll do that one now. And I'm just kind of drawing the lines that I see, okay? I'm not going, meow. Okay, I am understanding that that little edge of the grape just gets overlapped by this one. I can see this grape, I just can't see the edge of this grape right there because it gets covered up. Okay, and now the third grape right here. Okay, it gets covered up a little bit by that one. I see a little pocket of negative space right there, that little pocket. Okay, and all right, and then that grape kind of peeks out of this side of this grape over here. I think I drew my stem kind of wrong, but that's okay. At least my grapes look like they're overlapping for now, and I could fix this. Okay, and then I can see the stems on these, so I can draw the stem in there. Yeah, I definitely drew the stem wrong in the beginning. Oops. Okay. Okay, and then there's a couple more grapes, and these are in the background. So this one looks like it's a little bit closer to us than this one because this grape overlaps that one back there. So I'll do that one first. Just peeks out from behind this grape. I should have named all the grapes. Okay, and then one more. Oops, a little stem. I'll do a little stem. I'm doing this very rough and messy, but that's okay. I can always come back and clean it up. All right, and one more just peeking out from everybody else. You can see the bottom of them under there. All right, now it looked like I have some grapes that are actually overlapping each other because I just drew from foreground, what was closest to me and I could see all of it, and then I just kept going background into the middle ground, into the background, and they just peek out from behind each other and overlap. Good luck.